Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Naruto Noodle Bowl is probably one of the most iconic and beloved dishes in the world of anime and beyond. Today, we're diving deep into this delicious and visually appealing meal, exploring its origins, ingredients, and why it's captured the hearts and stomachs of so many. Get ready to slurp up some knowledge and discover what makes this bowl of noodles a true culinary masterpiece. Let's get started. Number 5. I Love Peace 40-ounce microwave ramen cooker. This microwave bowl is your complete solution for ramen, soup, pho, or pasta. It can fit up to 2 packs of instant noodles. It is perfect for anyone who wants fast, mess-free cooking. You can heat your meals quickly and safely. Just remember to remove the lid before microwaving to release steam. The built-in side handle makes it easy to lift the bowl. This microwave-safe container is your go-to solution for soups, pasta, pho, and leftovers. It's perfect for picnics, outdoor meals, or late-night snacks. You can also put ramen in it and add hot water for a quick snack. The bowl features a sturdy handle for easy lifting and pouring. The vented lid with a silicone gasket releases steam smoothly. You can easily unlock it with the upgraded push lock mechanism. Made from high-temperature, food-grade polypropylene, this bowl is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. It's lightweight, crack-resistant, and easy to carry, ideal for healthy meals every day. Safely carry this microwave soup bowl without burning your hands. It is designed for work, dorms, and quick home meals. Built with food-grade, BPA-free PP material. You can store leftovers in the freezer, reheat them in the microwave, and clean it easily in the dishwasher. What we like. This microwavable ramen bowl is your ultimate convenience companion. It's perfect for those busy days when you need a quick and easy meal. If you're always on the go or living in a dorm, this bowl is a game changer. It makes cooking and cleaning up a breeze, so you can enjoy your ramen without the hassle. What people say. The bowl is a perfect size for a good serving of ramen. The chopsticks are a nice touch and fit well with the bowl. The design is exactly as pictured and looks great. Number 4. Kanwone Ceramic Ramen Bowl Set. Introducing the Kanwone Ramen Bowl Set. This set brings the authentic taste of Japan to your home. It includes everything you need for a perfect ramen experience. With a generous 37-ounce capacity, this bowl is perfect for ramen, pho, udon, and more. It's large enough to hold your favorite dishes without any spills. Each bowl measures 8 inches in diameter and 3.5 inches high. Each set comes with a wooden spoon and chopsticks. This traditional design makes your homemade ramen feel like you're dining in a traditional Asian restaurant. Remember to wash the spoon and chopsticks by hand. The bowl features a user-friendly design with screw threads for easy holding. It's sturdy and won't easily slide on the table. The fan-shaped design also makes it stackable, saving storage space. These bowls are made of premium, lead-free, and non-toxic ceramic. They are chip-resistant and safe for the microwave, oven, dishwasher, and freezer. The ceramic material keeps your ramen hot longer, and the handcrafted glaze adds a unique touch. This Kanwone Pho Bowl set is a great gift for friends and family. It's perfect for housewarmings, birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. Give the gift of authentic Japanese dining. What we like. This ceramic ramen bowl set brings an authentic Japanese dining experience to your home. With its traditional design and included chopsticks and spoon, it enhances the enjoyment of your ramen. If you're looking to elevate your meal presentation and savor the true flavors of ramen, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The bowl is good quality and durability. Looks and feel nice. Definitely worth it. The bowls have a great shine to go with the texture, gives a beautiful sense of craft in a ceramic that is the right weight, not too heavy or light. Retains heat well and is a perfect size for even an overflowing ramen or udon meal. The size is perfect, especially if you put toppings on top. They are very strong and sturdy, but if you drop them they will crack into pieces. Number 3. YTLEMON 8-inch Ramen Bowl Set, 9-piece. This YTLEMON ramen bowl set includes 2 large ceramic bowls, each holding up to 1,000 milliliters. It's perfect for enjoying generous portions of your favorite dishes. You'll have plenty of room for ramen, noodles, or soup. The set comes with everything you need. Besides the bowls, it includes wooden forks, spoons, and chopsticks. It's a complete package for enjoying your meal. These bowls feature a unique, hand-painted pattern. The horizontal threaded design adds a touch of elegance. The design makes it easy to hold and prevents slipping. Made from high-temperature fired ceramic, these bowls are built to last. The underglaze technique ensures the color won't fade. It's safe for the dishwasher, microwave, and oven. These bowls are not just for ramen. You can use them for salads, pasta, cereal, and more. It's a versatile addition to any kitchen. This ramen bowl set makes a great gift. It's perfect for housewarmings, birthdays, or any special occasion. It even includes an electronic cookbook with thousands of recipes. What we like. This ramen bowl set offers a generous capacity and a unique design, perfect for enjoying a hearty bowl of ramen or other dishes. If you love to cook and want a versatile bowl that can handle various meals, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate both functionality and style in their kitchenware. What people say. The bowl is a perfect size for a generous serving of ramen or noodles. The included chopsticks are a nice touch and add to the overall experience. The design is great and looks exactly as pictured. Number 2. Ramen for beginners, recipes made simple. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of ramen. This guide is perfect for anyone new to making ramen, offering both traditional and modern recipes. First, we'll explore classic ramen recipes. You'll learn the secrets to creating authentic broths and perfectly cooked noodles. It's a journey into the heart of ramen culture. Next, we'll experiment with modern twists on ramen. These recipes are designed to be easy to follow and full of exciting flavors. This will help you to expand your ramen horizons. Each recipe is simplified for beginners. The instructions are clear and easy to understand, so you can enjoy making ramen at home. It's easier than you think. Get ready to slurp your way to ramen perfection. This book is your key to mastering the art of ramen. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. What we like. This book is perfect for anyone looking to make delicious ramen at home. If you're a beginner or want to try new recipes, this book is a great choice. It will guide you through the process, making it easy to create amazing ramen dishes. What people say. They are, for the most part, very doable in an everyday home kitchen. I can make amazing ramen at home. They tell you where you can find all the ingredients and give you alternatives for things that might be difficult to find, which is great for me because I don't live in a city where there are a lot of shopping options. Clear and practical instructions for someone in North America who doesn't know anything about how to make ramen. Number 1. Naruto Ichiraku Ramen Ceramic Dish Set. Are you a Naruto fan? Now you can enjoy your favorite noodles with this ramen set. It's designed for fans who want to add a touch of geeky flair to their meals. This ramen set is inspired by Naruto's favorite restaurant, Ichiraku Ramen. The bowl features a red and white design with the restaurant's name and a chopstick holder. The set includes a 16-ounce ceramic ramen bowl and a pair of wooden chopsticks. It's everything you need for a complete ramen experience. Made of durable ceramic, this set is designed to last. Remember to hand wash it and avoid soaking. It's not suitable for the microwave or dishwasher. This Naruto Ramen dinnerware set is perfect for fans. It's practical for everyday use and makes mealtime fun. It's a tasty way to show your love for the series. What we like. This Naruto-themed ramen set lets you eat like your favorite ninja. With its unique design inspired by Ichiraku Ramen, it adds a touch of fun to your mealtime. If you're a Naruto fan or looking for a cool gift, this set is a must-have. It's perfect for enjoying ramen with a geeky flair. What people say. Great big bowl with wonderful authentic to show art on the side of it. I love that it sticks to the same colors and shape of the one in the show. I gave it to my brother last Christmas and it still hasn't had any issues with breaking or chipping. It's got a little heft to it. Dishwasher safe too. My son received this as a Christmas gift and he just absolutely loved it. He loves eating ramen noodles and this is the only thing he'll eat them out of now. Because of this he also learned how to use chopsticks lol. It was way bigger than expected. It's super sturdy and definitely worth the price. I've dropped it a couple of times and it hasn't cracked or chipped. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.